So definitely we have to just go for this kind of rented clouds, and from that particular rented clouds, what and all they will be able to do. So not only the kind of integrating this hardware as well as the software. Alone the software process also can be done, like VR AR design, AI design, chatbot design, and machine learning, data science design, prediction design, and storage. A particular storage can be taken, and security applications can be taken. Then huge amount of data, especially it can be said as big data. So that particular big data can be taken. So from this kind of different applications, here it has to be completely interface with any clouds. So there are many clouds. From that, depending upon your wish or whatever your capabilities or what is your requirement, according to that you can choose this particular cloud. So each and every cloud nowadays they are providing complete 1 year plans of free. And I hope if you have any debit cards or credit cards, definitely you can just log into it. And here for Azure, it is mandatory that you have to use credit card only. For AWS, you can use either debit or credit. It is up to you. And from that particular your application, you will be able to train yourself, and therefore that particular project, whatever the project you have made, you can just add it in the resume. So that will be most helpful. And due to this cloud itself, nowadays they are just analyzing many of the people for jobs, like who has experience in working this cloud, who has experience in working in that particular cloud. And among the clouds, these two clouds are most important, Microsoft as well as AWS. Okay, so in this way only we have to just analyze the different parts inside the cloud, and from that we have to just integrate the different applications, and therefore we have to calculate our requirements. And based on that, the charges also will be there if you are going for the real time, or if you are using for more than 1 year. So from that we will be able to get some credits, and with that credits we will be able to move on. And even real-time applications also can be done with the help of this clouds. So why the industries are using means, since they have many huge purpose of this particular clouds that is being implemented over there. So like this, if you go for this respective Azure cloud means, inside this Azure, it is a complete organization provided by a Microsoft. So previously, the Google, or let it be the Apple, or if you go for Amazon, Azure, everyone were completely working with IoT only. Like Google has having their particular chat. I'm not sure how many of them has gone under that particular software known as Gtalk. Google Talk was one of the most famous software to chat as well as to do video calls or audio calls for foreign countries, and later on they have stopped and they have converted into Hangout. Then Google Earth as well as Google Map, these two were at the same time. Now everyone is using Google Map, and that too many of the mobile has an capability to use of Google Maps in augmented reality mode. So that kind of implementation is there. And if you go for Apple, we can go for this iCloud. And if you're going for Microsoft, they are having Skype. Skype was one of the widely applied softwares. Then the same thing, if you just to go for nowadays the Teams, that is also the base of cloud working only. Through we can also get remote access from that particular Microsoft Teams. So this is also one sort of cloud application. So this kind of clouds, now everything has been particularly integrated over here with some applications. Like that only, this Azure cloud and AWS cloud and all being worked up over there. If you just log into the respective functions of Prime as well as Netflix, Prime Video as well as the Netflix, so from that particular two different organizations which is completely streaming for movies. So these two things have a same kind of patterns. So that is nothing but both comes under the same type of cloud. When AWS is renting for another organization, but that organization also doing the same work whatever the Amazon is doing. So it is not like that only the particular thing can be done. Everything can be completely integrated over here. So what and all within that particular Azure cloud we'll be able to make means the secure purpose, augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, chatbots, medical bots, etc. Now let us see some sort of process inside the Azure. So for that, first we have to create an account in the Microsoft Azure. So you can create your account with your credentials. Credentials, the most important thing is credit card. So through credit card only we will be able to sign up the complete data. Now this is the home page of the Azure, and here we have whatever the things which we require, like the monitor, subscription, learn, resource groups, all resources, dashboard. So through the dashboard we will be able to work under many things: creating virtual machines, storage account, app services, Azure Cosmos, Kubernetes services. All these functions will be there. Other than that, it can be extended towards the virtual networks, Azure Active Directory, monitored, static web apps, etc. So from this we will be able to get many kinds of applications. So this kind of functions only here we will be able to just check with integration of all this Azure as well as its activities. And I hope guys, I hope it is audible, but it is not visible, I hope, for a moment. I hope now it is visible. So due to some hardware issues it happens. So from this we can see the different Kubernetes as well as all the applications over here. And now this is just an overall view. To see all the data on the left hand side, we can see all the services like general, compute, networking, storage, web, mobile, containers, databases, analytics, blockchain, AI plus machine learning, Internet of Things, mixed reality, integration, identity, security, DevOps, migrate, monitor, management plus governance, Intune, and other. So if we go for others means, here we can see app registrations, Azure ARC data that enabled for Post SQL, Azure database for PostgreSQL. This is for hyperscale and this is flexible. Then comes with migration projects, Edge Hardware Center, managed Apache. Apache is nothing but the web server. Web server we can use it for Linux. Then Azure Precept Studio, Stack HI, VMware solutions, virtual machine solutions, backup walls, backup center. So this kind of many integrations are available over here. So these type of integrations only everyone is looking for, and not everyone will be using all this kind of sections. So from this everyone will be using based on their required items, and according to that they will be providing the free tier or paid tiers, all this kind of integration. And once when we are just working this kind of functions, here we will be able to get the complete data. So in this way only here we will be able to work under the multiple sections. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.